Hello, in this presentation, I want to show you how to prevent an Excel file to be overwritten accidentally at document saving. The classic solution on the network is to set the file as read-only. After file open, we noticed it's in read-only mode, and we can only use save as instead of save. Another solution is to ask your system administrator to make that network folder read-only for all users, excepting you, will have full rights. But in this case, if something should be modified inside the template file, you will be the only who can do this. Next, I will present my solution for XLS, XLSM, XLSB files that can store a macro code, not applicable to XLSX file. Considering this file as network template, at file save, an attention message appears, as you can notice. So, the current file can't be overwritten, only saved as, with another name or extension, as required. Also, if I try to rename the sheet, it comes back to the default name. Next, I will save as, with a different name or extension, this file. The file was saved in same location, under new name. Now, at a resave, the file is saved without any warning message. Next, I will present you the code behind. Here is stored the code that protect renaming the sheet. And here, the code that blocks saving the file to be overwritten. The same message appears if I try to save the file from VBA. To make modifications and save the original file is possible only if the design mode is activated from VBA or Developer tab. Next, I will open the file saved with another name and resave it. This is possible now because the file name is different than the one specified in the macro, as you can see. If I deactivate the two lines of code, as presented, and save the file, the result will be I will can only to save as the current file, and also all the new saved files, because the code is working without taking into consideration the current file name. So this is not my intention, but is a possibility. I hope you will find useful this presentation. For other different types and kinds of protection, see my previous presentation mentioned in the link below clip. Till my next presentation, I wish you all the best.